Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. This is going to be a very quick little video. I have created another kind of a standalone freebie. As I was making, I don't know which one, I realized that I needed some smaller ephemera. So I've come up with this, and the way that I want to use them. Now these stamps turned out really big. I may have to size them down because I was thinking they would do good on these, but too big. So I will be sizing these down. Grab my scissors here. It did occur to me as I was sizing them that they were a little big to go on this sad little postcard. So I will be cutting that down. But I might as well cut these out. I can use them somewhere else. Oh, my hand's cramping. I do want that calendar. I think that is going to go. It's going to go somewhere. Let's cut that out. Hope everybody's good. I hope you're working on some of the freebie projects. I just had someone on the Facebook group says, "Oh no, I need to get started." Well, yes and no. This is meant to inspire you, to make you want to create, and if time is not such right now for you, it's not the end of the world, guys. I don't want you stressing. So just as you can work on things, do it. Okay, that's why we start in July. All right, so I want this. Let's see, I want these in the back here. I'm gonna just slide. Do I want that on there? I've already got the calendars on there. I think that I'm gonna slide the calendar in the back there. And I think I'm going to use this stamp. Oh, come on. Got a brand new sponge. Okay. So okay, here we go. Put this on here, kind of like it's a little letter. And let's see. Where'd the other one go? Huh, there it is. As well. Do that. And I think I'm gonna put it in the corner there. Just because I can. This could be where you put cards to mail. All right. I want this cute letter right here. I'll just cut along there and cut out that bakery. I thought the bakery could be a fun thing to put on something you were going to keep recipes in. I think that's one of my upcoming projects will be geared towards a recipe holder. Okay, I think you can go right in there with those postcards. I want a label here. I've got to be careful. This tag is very light colored. I'm cutting all over the place, aren't I? Let's take that little envelope off. A little wax seal. Let's I think I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. Let's get this tag cut out. This little sheet of digitals will be available now on my Ko-fi, coffee, whatever, or Facebook group for you to print out, whether you're doing Christmas in July or Christmas in August. You're not the right size. All right, we'll go with the bigger. Okay. My lights are falling. I did a lot of cleaning. I have a new background, a new mat. Isn't that exciting? Oh, I don't have any twine right there. So I'm going to, what do I want to do with this? I think I'll stick it in there. I do want this green label to go on something. I don't know what. Let's find out. What do we want it on? I want it there, I think. There. That's where I want it. And I left it blank so that you can write on it whatever is going to be in that pocket for you, whether it's gift tags or stamps or letters or lists, just like that. Let's see. I wish that were smaller. I needed a smaller one. Oh, that's what we'll do. I am going to use the green ones, these tickets, and let's talk about how to cut these little tickets out. All right, now if you've got a pair of the postage stamp scissors, they make a nice little edge, and I am going to cut these apart so that they're single. Cut straight on that side, and then let's see, I've got, gonna use a circle punch to cut that little notch out. Now you can do it by hand, but if you've got the tool and it's close by and you don't have to go hunting for it, and I want to include this with that little envelope like they came out of it, like they're tickets to the Nutcracker or to a special movie or a concert. Just thought that would be kind of a fun idea. Like that. And they won't be in the envelope, but they're going to be, let's see, I think we'll just lay them on top like that. Okay, let's put this, you know, let's make it a pocket. You want a little side? Yes. Yes. Let's do a little side pocket. I don't think I usually do a little long side pocket. That should work like that. These can just stick in there like that. I've got them upside down. It would be fun if you could read. Well, it says admit one inside. Okay. Do I want anything else? I've got that on that side. What else do I need? Do I need another label or another something? Let's see. What can we do with this cute little bingo? And then we're going to be done. I promise. I'm excited. I am going to see my friend Tracy in the Denver area, and we're going to make her Christmas chest or Christmas box. I'm not sure what she's decided on. We may end up doing both. What do I want to do? Do I want to have that stick up? I think I do. I am. So where do I want to glue to? I want to glue down here and across there. Is that what I want to glue? Just like that. Okay. Well, I'm going to finish cutting out the rest of these, and I'm going to have them in a little pocket. I hope this will be helpful to you. I hope that you're enjoying the freebies. Don't forget to go grab yours. Hey, thank you so much. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.